Rocky right here. She's real.
Oh.
All right, let me see what you caught.
I just started, so here's a nail thing. That's a nail. Sorry.
Mhm.
This is actually a hook. And my first nail.
Okay, go throw it in.
Shoot.
Oh, twist eyes.
You got twist eyes?
Nope.
Let me see. Let me see.
They're down next to the bucket. Behind you.
Get anything? Let me see.
I gotta put on at least one glove.
You do? Oh, I feel something. I feel something. Dad, I feel something.
These rocks hurt my thumb.
Yeah, I need to put some gloves on too. My hands are freezing. What did I do?
Did you get anything?
Just metal rocks.
Those metal rocks.
More rocks.
Yep. Stay right there, Pinkie Pie.
Alright, reeling in.
Can you get some gloves for me?
Reeling in. And mommy.
Cold. Cold. So it is too cold. Bubble!
There is a spider on my phone.
Really?
Yeah.
So take a video.
All right. No, I don't even know where he came from. He's just climbing up the side of my phone.
Daddy, feel.
I can't feel.
Go ahead, pull it in. Let's see what you got.
I got something for sure. I know I do.
Oh, no,
Yes,
that's
I know I do.
split ring.
Well, somebody's boat's falling apart.
Got anything good?
I don't know yet. Bye. Let me give it again.
It's okay. We lived in South Carolina.
Mm.
It still lived in North Carolina.
Holy moly!
What are those?
Magnet rocks. Dad, come over, look at that.
Don't you go in that water. Keep catching on something right there, don't you?
Yeah. Hopefully I get it soon. Come on, come on, come on. Wait a second. Beep. 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 Please have something. Please have something. Hello. Please have something. Are you? Oh. Anyway,
What'd you get?
this.
Let me see. What is that?
And bigger giant nail. Big giant.
So
It is like
I was gonna go in, but the water's too cold. His magnet got stuck.
Yes.
I can't do it. It was too cold. Is it cold, babe? Okay. Magnet back.
Yeah,
owe me,
magnet
babe.
back.
it's not bad once you're out of it.
Baloney, that water is like ice.
I know, but it's not bad once you're out of it. So I'm staying away from there.
Pull it in, boo boo.
Come on. You gotta move your horse. Bunch of rocks right there.
Yeah. Come on, Faye.
As long as they don't drop
What
it
do
on
you
me.
get this time? Line that sucker up.
As long as they don't drop it on my foot.
Mama said. Mama said.
You know what?
Sit still. You keep getting out of Mommy's camera range.
Sorry, guys. Just the sun's in my eyes.
Pull it in. Let's see what you got.
Hopefully it's something useful.
You're right.
Excuse me. Yeah, maybe leaf. Them leaves. Leaves are useless. Useless. Useless.
Get anything?
Nope.
Just little rocks? Okay.
I stuck.
Oh, they released.
I released it. I stuck it. Give me something useless. Useless.
What do you got? Oh my God.
No. Mommy, do it.
Let Mama grab it.
What is it?
That is a bullet.
Bullet?
She found her first bullet, guys. And it's not even shot yet.
No kidding. Let me see it.
Field and Stream.
12 gauge.
And it's not even shot yet. And she found it on this little refrigerator magnet. It's a little refrigerator magnet, guys.
Yes.
There you go.
Wow.
You want to just so I can get a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Don't ever hold this. Guys, if you ever see a battery, make sure...
It's not a battery, it's a bullet.
Well, if you ever see a bullet, ask your parents to get it for you. Because they are very dangerous.
There you
Okay,
go.
guys?
Oh, you beat Daddy. You got the best so far.
Yes, she did.
Alright, guys? Never touch a bullet unless a parent's with you at all times.
Yeah. All right,
Right,
let's
Mom?
get that right. First two.
Me too!
Okay, wind it in, see what you get. You caught that on a refrigerator magnet.
I know! What is that?
Keep pulling it in. Let's go. Your viewers are watching.
Sorry, viewers. Or fans.
Come on, pull it in.
Shit your pants, she pulls in the gun on a refrigerator magnet.
That would be hilarious.
I quit.
Because of me.
Yeah.
Because of me.
Go ahead, let's go. You already won. You already beat Daddy.
Yep.
So it's like a race.
No, whoever gets the best item. Oh!
Whoever gets the best item
Ugh.
wins.
Yeah. Daddy's got me in the face with water.
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Did you get anything? Just rocks.
Time to pull it in. Hey, rope, get back here. You ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere. Hope I pull in the gun. I really want to pull in the gun.
Quit magnet fishing if you do. Come on, watch that spot. You're going to get stuck in it.
Yeah.
And a rice. Bumpy, bumpy,
Stand up and pull over here.
Yeah, otherwise you're going to get in there. Daddy's going to have to go back in the water. Over here, baby. Over here. Uh-oh, I think you're in it. Oh, she's in it. She's in it.
I know.
Daddy's going to have to save her magnet. Daddy's got to go out and save the magnet. That water is ice cold, guys. I mean, ice cold. Say, love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
Pull it up.
Was it as cold this time as it was last time?
Yes! Here's what I do for magnet fishing.
Did you get anything this time? Want me to see? Yeah, little rocks. All right.
Make sure to give a like